The morning of the test match, so here is what the weather prediction says. If we look at the London Met Department, they have issued a yellow warning. Now, yellow warning usually means moderate to light to moderate thunderstorms, but rain nonetheless. The first significant prediction starts at 10 a.m. where there is a 50% chance of rain. At 11, it goes up till 70. At 12 p.m., it goes up till 70, and till 3 p.m. in the afternoon, it is predicted the chances of precipitation are 70%. So that's high rain and a yellow warning. That these warnings